What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs. You know, it's your boy, 4162-876 Jamaica, my people. And you don't see the topic what we come to talk about, you know, my people. Topic about the people them we invest and buy up and do all sorts of things before them invest back in their own country. I'll get along to it, you know, but right now, my people, we're back at Scarborough Town Centre in the mall. You're going to walk it through. I really a good tour of the mall, you know, my people, because I always show this mall already to everybody. So I do a mall tour already also for showing the place. But right now, because of Christmas, so I'm going to show you the Christmas setup downstairs. Right? I mean, I say, you know what, I have time. I just do a next vlog video. Why not? You know what I mean? That is it. If music I play, people, I'm not really go over there, you know. But that's how it looks. Look at that. Jamaica can even start have some other stuff here. I think them have them too, you know, but it's not really populated like that in Jamaica. But yeah, man, go and check it out, my people. Like a Christmas time, I know, I come up. So the mall, I'm going to start get back busy. And we out Toronto with a lot of people now. You just know, say, the mall soon get back packed. But yes, my people, let's go back to the topic now. So this video is for the people what me I see out there now. So this goes for man and woman. So I don't want to know say, yo, Jay just a brag about the woman them, about the man them too. Alright, so our mindset is like when we come to foreign countries, you know, my people. You talk the countries them the first countries them what them say more developed than the Caribbean, some of the Caribbean countries, right? So the first thing what some of them people are doing, you know, my people, imagine this. You not live nowhere in Jamaica, you not live nowhere foreign, you not even have a decent car, or you not have nothing to really go on for you. But as soon as you get a money, so you never say, you know what, let me think about buy 1,000 block or buy 110 bag of cement and 1/2 ton or 1/4 ton of steel. I'm going to go and put it down and build up from there. No. You know what some of we go do? Tell you what some of we go do. Some of we go so bam and brag and boast and show off over here. Like we live the best life. Oh, you know if you have nothing in Jamaica and you run down to a body. So I see him so some man or girl in Jamaica too, you know. Who don't live nowhere. Some of them dolly body girl. Me sorry, you know, but no live nowhere, you know. And if you do live somewhere, you know, somehow, you know, I pay rent, high rent, because you know I look like the Joneses, but live a foreign, or no want no place look like yeah up there. Some man don't live nowhere. And the first thing a man goes to boom and go to some money, and the first thing you go do, just cause carry over this and Kimisha over this, do what body. First thing you do, you not even say, you know what babes? I could use the money. And a body I do no body, because 1 million I go with my body, or 10,000, I don't want to go into the story and my people, but the music I play, I don't want to affect the video. Alright? And the first thing you do, I go so bam. Go do body. Watch you know, you live in a ghetto, you know. You never see $1 million in your life yet. And the first thing you get up, go do. I do body because Kerry and Kimisha do body and you want to look like Kerry and Kimisha too. Because them look at the road. I don't say nothing wrong with doing nobody or anything like that, you know. You understand? Because some people are self-awareness of themselves, and if themselves not look too out there, them not really feel good in themselves. So I don't have nothing wrong with that, you know. But what I am saying is that I have a problem with hold on, you know, go and do body and do every single thing. Do our lips now, body, lips, ass, everything you know do. And don't even have a roof over on the head, because rent in a play. Rent in a pay. And some who pay rent. And still live in a ghetto. And nothing na go on. But nobody do up. I don't understand it. I see a girl come a foreign. What do you hear? I don't know what the girl name. I must say cheese or something like that. I'm frightened. Me know this woman from Adam Apple, you know, so I don't want nobody think me a bash her. I'm not bashing her for nothing, you know. I am bashing her for this reason. You come a foreign and come do body. You never, it's like someone who know when you come here in a plan, or someone who run off and come through all different states, bars and this and that. You know think, so one day you might have to go back to Jamaica. Me just not understand. But some people, like me say in a previous video, some people don't want to go back home, period. Some people don't have nothing here, period. And they not have nothing there, period. Because, alright, watch out now. Me used to know the mindset that you know my people, so I don't think me I go bash everybody else and me not bash myself. Because back in the days them, me not plan about me I go build no house at Jamaica. Me buy Mercedes. Yeah, yes, so me live now, what me I care about Jamaica for. And that's how your mindset with a lot of us, right? That's how we live, so that's our home right now. That's how we are make it work from. You understand? When I think about no Jamaica, what me I think about Jamaica for? Jamaica can't help me right now. And that's how me live right now. So I don't know for that mindset a lot of people them have right now in them head. Why them just say, you know what? I'm alright. Me alright. Me nah worry about for buy nothing in Jamaica, no block, no sand, no cement. So I nah look for live back over there place. You understand? The crime riddle place. That's what them call Jamaica, you know. The old big dirty ghetto place. They why me I go back there so to go live. I'm fine, happy here in Canada. Why would I want to live back there? I saw them treat it to my people. No, we just go meet no man daddy. I don't buy anything. I have to go way around so. Daddy, I just go walk through right. So I can't go way around so I'm not order nothing. I not buy anything. Like, but yeah, the man green. It's like some of them Indian people are judge of God, man. It's like them not beard. I say me just walk past the man and a piece of scent lick me. And on the first time they say Indian people them nasty, you know. Not the first time. I'm going on the elevator over there, yeah. And I see a piece of scent kick up. When the Indian boy come in, you know, man. And when he come out back and gone, the scent gone. No joke. You understand? But I run go into the Shoppers Drug Mart, go pick up something, and then we'll continue back. We're talking. So again, my people, this is not a video to bash anybody, you know, like I said. But this video is for the people for just think twice. If you go pay for somebody body for $1 million, for 10 grand US or Canadian, and you don't have nothing in your life, think first, my brother. Think first before you give a girl the 10 grand. Just like me, you know, me could pick up money and go lend girl, you know, max up my credit card, you know. Go do body, you know. Girl don't have house or nothing, you know. And then where girl, you know, who get push out 10 grand or whatever amount of money? Me. Nobody not sorry for you. Nobody not sorry for you. When you're down here. So when you're up on your and Father God bless you with that money, my brothers and sisters. Take it, invest on yourself. No joke. Invest all that money on yourself. You understand? And when I say invest on yourself, you know, I not tell you to go do up body and buy the biggest gold chain and all of them things there. No. When I say invest on yourself, invest on getting a property. Either here or back home, wherever. But invest on your own self first, because self-worth. Man's out here. I'm not saying enough to spend on no money for woman, you know. I'm not saying that, you know. But be mindful that some of these women just like you for your money. And when your money done, them done and gone with it. And then now they on to the next target, the next man. And you go sit down there and wonder and ponder and I say, how much me do for the girl, man, and this and that. Nobody no care about that afterwards, my boy. Nobody cares about your feelings. Because all she go say, boy, done with and gone with no, whatever. Move on to the next man. And you sit down there and you ball. Over a woman. One second, my people, I'm going to ask this person whoever find them things that I look for and get back to you. Yeah, let me know if I hit this. No. So I'm not saying man's and woman out if you not invest by each other, you know. But to a sense, you have to build up somewhere first, man. No woman, no man with nothing no more these days, you know. Also man, no man, no have the money, no buy the best cars and everything like that. And no live nowhere. I seen somebody with a Jamaica over there. I mean I drive around. And I see a Chris. A Chris must be Honda Civic park up a one zinc fence. My brother say, yeah man, over there so the dog live, man. If you carry that, man. Yeah. You know that rather get all of the expensive stuff than before you invest on your own home, on your own self. And I go tell a man, say no. 1 second, my people. I go ask a question. Yes, my people, so just pick up what we need. Now we are going to go check out right now. Right now, I'm in the Shoppers Drug Mart. So this is like the drugstore for pills and all of them stuff there. And but home body and stuff. They come like your Fantana or Jamaica. Yeah. Because you know you can get the pharmacy stuff them in a Fantana and prescription and all sort of stuff. So I'm there over here so right now. But back to the topic, my people. Like some people, when I come here for bash the people them and stuff like that, you know. But me just there if make you know, so yo. Man and man, woman and woman.
Don't forget to scan your PC Ultimate card.
You smart up on yourself. Smart up on yourself in a life. Think about real estate. Think about business. Before on the start. No thanks, man, let's go.
Please use pin pad to complete payment.
Before on the start, throw on the money away, cause I throw on the money away, you know. Cause some of them wicked woman and them wicked man they out there, you know, my people. Yeah, man, no joke. I mean, I take back what I have to say. Cause some of the people out there are wicked. And I will say, a little man and a little girl, I try hard in her life. And then this girl goes up and meet this wicked man. And this wicked man have him dream and she start there say now say yo, me I help him with him dream. And then him goes up bam now, girl, you know, a whole heap of stores me here out there, you know. Woman fix up man and man good again and vice versa, man fix up woman and woman good again and bam and next man come in a picture. You take away your woman or you lose your woman. Boom, the same thing. You fix up boy look hot a road now. Boy, all have him back teeth, because you have to have teeth for boy. Clothes, cars, help him with him business opening up, making millions. Boom, push your way. No whitey come in or no woman come in a picture now. You gone. But you know what you never do? You never invest in yourself. So this video is for the people to invest in yourself. I mean, like I've been telling you, investing in yourself, meaning property. Though, say if you have your property already and you're well off already, this video is not for you. Alright, I'm not talk about the people who know, so yeah, if they lose 100k a morning, that's nothing to them. You understand? I'm not talk the people who have 3 and 4 Airbnb properties. No, because them done were smart enough already and them invest in what? Themselves. You alright? You can't invest on people and have nothing. How that for work? You not have nothing help a man that every week, every month you send him 2-3 grand. You know how much the 2-3 grand they can do for you when I have nothing? I mean I try to be harsh on some other people, you know, but some other people need a lesson and a conk. Because sometimes it's stupid, you know, sometimes materialistic stuff and love make us stupid. You understand? No joke now, you know. We make a stupid man. So sometimes now we have to smart up my people. Smart up. That's all me a big on. Right now I'm there one place called Chipotle. And I don't know, them have a new tender tuck of steak lime and I'm gonna buy that one. But yeah, I'm gonna go over and this is the food court in the mall. Like it's not that packed today. It's on a Tuesday, you know people. But me I go over the Greek salad area cause I'm not even that hungry. I might even just get a mango salad and call it a day to you know, my people. But yeah, man, my people. So the end of the day and the end of the story, what me just want to talk to you and say, invest in yourself first. Because at the end of the day, nobody's going to come invest in you. And you don't want to wait till you're old and grey. No. You buy the car then now. You buy the house then now. You build the business now. You do everything when? Now. Don't wait till tomorrow, my people. You don't know it's a boy 416-876 Jamaican, my people. Don't go do your body. If you don't have no money, if you don't have no yard, don't follow them out there. For the next 5 years or 10 years from now, a body alone, them going to have them. I figure, go work. Not follow them Instagram model and people. Fake life, 99% them out there live here. Don't do it. Fake life, them all live out here, my people. But in Toronto, I can see it. And a whole heap of people must come around me. And them like fake, them butter and water. Fake life. Them not have nothing. Them have them gold chain and Rolex on. But at the end of the day, a man buy, if I was a woman, a man buy her that. I say some of them man up here too. Them so stupid and fool. Them heart easy for broke. All of them woman over here cheap on them. I don't not lie if I tell you. I not joke tonight. I'm not joke no night, my people. All of them women I give them bun. All you can't spend 150 grand on a girl and me I tell you so she still give that man bun. Still. So don't put your heart and trust on these people. Woman or man. Invest in yourself. No go do up nobody. Invest in a business. Make that work first, then you say, yo, body. Yeah, could I get that new thingy? Yeah. Yeah, the bowl. Alright, my people. Yeah, boat rice. See, look at my people. Boat. The day in a mall, I have to go call you back when I drive. Alright. Everything. Hot. And hot sauce? Yeah. With corn, yeah, and corn. Cheese. Salad. That is it, my people. We just get the meal. Me I go buy myself something else also. I go buy a Jimmy. I'm not really hungry right now, so I'm just probably get some drinking until I start feel hungry, you know, people. But like some people, I end the video right now. But the key, main thing for this video, my people, invest in yourself in real estate, business, or something where you can get back money from. Don't run go buy the gold chain there. Don't run go buy, you go do up the girl the body there, and the girl will leave you, or the gold chain will get robbed. If you don't have nothing in your life yet, my people, invest first. Don't worry about the Joneses. Father God make you take your time. Take your time and build up and move on. Hope you find a good girl, and I hope your girl find a good man. We can help each other build life together. And not somebody who can come rob you and go. You know, some of them people are gold digger them, you know. Wickedness them, you know. You're going to that for our next video still, know, my people. So now just go and bless up on the Christmas month. And go and bless up on yourself. It's your boy 416-876 Jamaica. We just a reason, you know, my people. Talk where you talk, right? No negative vibe. That is it.